Hello. Welcome to the Keto Diet channel, where we provide you with different names of keto diets and their ingredients. My name is Kenneth. When you the name of a keto recipe in TS ingredients, it will be easier for you to make the recipe at home and/or search for the tutorial of that particular recipe to learn how to make it. It's ideal we make our keto diet at home in order to use the nutrients proportional to our body balance. The importance of the keto diet for weight loss. The ketogenic diet can be the ideal weight loss plan, especially if you have diabetes or want to burn down extra pounds. This is a very low carbohydrate diet that promises to effectively lose weight while lowering blood sugar enough. The keto diet can reverse type 2 diabetes, at least for the lucky few. Another benefit of the keto diet is that it helps reduce systemic inflammation, which can have many negative effects on the entire body. Unlike other popular low-carb diets, which are usually high in animal protein, the keto diet aims to burn stored fat instead of using sugar as its main fuel. When fat is broken down in the liver instead of glucose, it creates a secondary energy product called ketones. The recipe for today is Keto Deep Dish Pizza Personals, low-carb, grain-free. Ingredients: fathead dough, 1 cup blanched almond flour, 1 tablespoon coconut flour, 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1 large egg, 2 cups shredded mozzarella. Pizza fill-ins: shredded mozzarella about 1 tablespoon, pizza in a bag, pepperoni 1 to 2 slices, torn crumbled bacon pieces about 1 tablespoon, crumbled sausage about 1 tablespoon, sugar-free pizza sauce about 2 tablespoons. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this channel so that you will be notified when a new content published.